Forest ecosystem types characteristics importance, meaning a forest ecosystem is a communicative organism that lives in a forest. A forest is usually defined as a large group of trees. However, other important aspects of a forest are the shrubs and leaf mulch on the floor and the plants that live in tandem with the trees. A forest ecosystem is not just about the forest environment. However, However, it is also about the animals that live in the forest. For example, birds nest in the trees of a forest. Members of the fungi kingdom grow on the forest floor, and a variety of insects and mammals also take up their home in a forest. An ecosystem can be defined as a community that is relatively still contained. So, a forest ecosystem is an ecosystem that is distinct with the distinct boundaries. We will clearly be able to see where the forest ecosystem begins and where it ends. There are the various types of forest ecosystem throughout the world, but there we go in more depth about forest ecosystem. Let's recap what I already know about them. So we have established that a forest ecosystem feeder, a distinct communicative organism that lives in a forest, which can be defined as a sizable group of trees. In the ecosystem, we will find plant life and fungi and many different animal, bird and insect. Types of forest ecosystem. First, rainforest, some of the most biodiverse ecosystem on the planet, with the Amazon being a prime example. The northeastern part of India is particularly rich in rainforest. Further, the tropical rainforest in India are found in Assam, Andaman and Nicobar, Island and Western Ghat, etc. Rainforests tend to the humid inside, and not just because they are often based around a river. Water drips from the trees and humidity is contaminated within the forest environment thanks to thick canopies of leaves and fantastically beautiful flower and gorgeous birds and insect live here, as well as some rare mammals. Second, mangroves. Mangroves are a unique mix of trees and tidal swamps. These fascinating forest ecosystems change greatly throughout the day. During the part of the day, and they are dry, and during such much of the rest of the day, they are waterlogged, and some of the crocodile and other swamps creatures. These may be some of the most dynamic ecosystems in the world for this very reason. Third, inland forest. Here you will find plenty of mainland animal and birds such as fox and owls. Inland forest can be vast and ancient, or they can be smaller like copse. Fourth, the taiga. The taiga is the name of the sphere forest right towards the polar region of the world, where conditions can be very cold and quite harsh. In fact, many of the forest ecosystems in the taiga are aristic or polar ecosystem. Fifth, lakeside forest. Water birds and other water wildlife can be found in this forest ecosystem. This type of forest ecosystem tends to be very humid, and the types of organisms that lives in them reflect this. Six, mountain forest. The forests that grow on mountains, such as mountain pines, help to create unique ecosystem. For example, the Himalayan mountain forest in India. The peak of mountains tend to cold and rocky, and the organisms that live in forest ecosystem at the top of mountain tend to be very well adapted for life in harsh conditions. Characteristics feature of forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystems are so rich and diverse, and they have too many existing and fascinating features. Below you will find a discussion of some of the key features of this ecosystem. First, seasonality. In countries that have seasonal climate, forest ecosystem will change with the season. Second, deciduous or evergreen. A forest may be deciduous. Example, shield its leaf in winter, or evergreen. Example, leaves stay green and intact all the time, or it may be mix of both deciduous and evergreen trees. Third, different levels. Some Forest ecosystems such as rainwater feather several distinct levels such as the forest floor, the lower canopy, the upper canopy, and the trees tops. For attractive to bird, many bird species nest in the trees tops, and this makes forest ecosystem attractive to bird. Fifth, attractive to insect. Many insect lives in the tree bark, leaf, mulch, or flower, and as such may and find forest ecosystem very attractive places to make their home. The importance of forest ecosystem. Forest ecosystem are so important not just for the community close to the forest but for the whole world. Read on the find some reason why. First, the lungs of the world. The Amazon rainforest is described as a biotic pump, like a green lungs that release oxygen into the atmosphere and rocks away carbon. Second, ancient. Some of our forests are truly ancient and much older than many human civilizations. Third, biodiversity. All of our forest ecosystem are so important for biodiversity. In fact, biologists very often claim that they are still discovering new species in the Amazon rainforest on a regular basis. For for humans, forest ecosystems are not just habitats for animals. Many human communities, including indigenous communities, live in forests all over the world. Fifth, protecting the earth. Forests keep the earth rich in animals, protect it from desertification by providing a shield against bind and so on. Conclusion: forest ecosystems are some of the most existing and beautiful in the world. In fact, many of them are so mysterious so that even the world's most expert biologists tell us that they are still discovering new species in some of the world's largest forest ecosystem.